Data is available everywhere and is available in abundance. The question is, what do we do with this data? How do we make sense of this data? How do we use this data to take decisions effectively? The answers to all these questions lies in data science. Data science is the science of understanding data using processes, tools and techniques which aid in better decision making. It involves techniques for identifying, collecting and explaining the data using colorful plots and graphs. Data science techniques and methods have a wide range of application across all sectors. The growing awareness of the application relating to data science has strongly established the need for data-driven decision making rather than decision making using intuition. Now, data science as a concept has been around for more than 5 decades, but of late there is so much of buzz around these concepts of analytics, data science, business analytics and all of that. The reason being what you and I have in our hands right now. Yes, the mobile phone. The smartphones, the increasing penetration of smartphones, the increasing penetration of internet, the increasing penetration of social media has given rise to huge volumes of data being generated across all domains. As data gets generated, the computational capability in terms of hardware and software for processing this data is also becoming more and more powerful by the day. Increasingly, across the globe, there are talented, bright young minds who are contributing to this domain by creating open source programs and algorithms which is available freely for anybody to use. Earlier, data or analysis of data using sophisticated tools and techniques was available only to probably huge multinational companies or big companies with deep financial pockets. But now, this data is available to almost everybody, including an entrepreneur, a startup, even a small businesses which is doing online business. This is available to everybody and anybody. The cheaper it is to store the data, the easier it is to be using this data for better decision making. It is not just data which is getting generated, but also the employment opportunities relating to this domain has also been exponentially increasing over the years. This book, titled Introduction to Data Science, authored by myself and my colleague Dr. Sujata, called Introduction to Data Science, A Practical Approach with R and Python, published by Wiley Publications as a part of their Emerging Technology series, is a very practical, simple book to use for anybody who wants to understand the concepts relating to data science.